Here we should note what is changing. We can see changes in pronoun and in our verb. So we need to find the subject for this verb first. So starting from the top, when a given industry, water and electricity are two well-known examples, carries high infrastructural startup costs and other barriers that discourage competition. Blank of just one or two suppliers per municipality. And such industries are known as natural monopolies. We're going to do something here that you'll probably see us do in future questions as well, or you may have seen in other videos. I don't care about this final sentence when we're really just focusing on the grammar of a single sentence. But I should recognize that we're talking about a given industry. So we'll highlight a given industry as the subject. And a given industry can't be a these, can't be a they. Those are plural pronouns. So goodbye to them. And now we've got to consider whether there is a specific industry or just a generic industry. This would indicate a specific pronoun, like there's one that's presented and there isn't. It is actually a non-specific industry. It just has the examples. So C is going to be the correct answer. You may decide to read this back into the sentence to confirm overall narrative cohesion to make sure that the industry structure works, but for the purposes of this video, we'll hit back at this point.